Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. And today I'm going to take you through a 2019 Scout 195 Sportfish. Starting off here in the cockpit of the boat, we've got two rear quarter seats aft with built-in backrests. This model is equipped with a 115 horsepower four-stroke from Yamaha. We have a self-bailing cockpit, undergunnel rod storage on both sides of the boat, port and starboard, grab handles, rod holders, recessed cleats. Here at the helm, we have a really nice removable backrest that opens up the helm seating, in addition to a live well beneath that's both lighted and aerated. And these just slide right back in really easily. Custom T-top from Scout that's powder coated, built-in rocket launchers, LED spreader lights aft, and a T-top storage bag. A lot of real estate to flush mount electronics at the helm. Fusion Bluetooth stereo included. Digital gauges from Yamaha. We do have trim tabs, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. We've got glove box style storage with charging ports for your devices, cup holders, battery switch, and adjustable footrest as well. Before we transition to the bow, we do have a really large head area within the console of the 195. This actually also has a recessed floor that's drained, so you can actually equip this boat with a porta potty. Now let's transition to the bow of the boat. So here in the bow of the Scout 195 Sportfish, we have a really large seating area with a bow cushion, a backrest, stainless steel grab handles on both sides, cup holders that are plumbed and drained, and then two speakers forward in addition to the two that are in the cockpit of the boat. Beneath this bow cushion, really large casting area and a lot of room for storage as well. That forward compartment has access to your anchor line, and your anchor is housed beneath that forward hatch. Forward of the console, we have a portable cooler from Igloo with a snap-in cushion and a built-in backrest. Really comfortable seating, also close enough to the bow cushion where you can actually stretch your legs out a little bit and lounge on the 195. Great family boat, great fishing boat for Charleston. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 and visit us online at MarineMax.com if you have any questions or interest. And again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.